Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 7X, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass family link on your device. Okay, let's begin. Firstly, open settings, then scroll down and choose Google. Click manage your Google account. Get started, data and privacy, scroll down and choose delete your Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it in this video. Okay, confirm your password. Click next. Scroll down, click yes, and okay, yes and yes. That's it. Now click delete account. Wait a while, and cool. Now, as you can see, wait a while. Oh, okay. As you can see, all my apps are successfully unlocked. It means that the Google Family Link was successfully bypassed. Your parents will receive this message. Okay, as you can see, this is the parent phone. Google Family Group has changed. HDB has signed in on a new device. Setup, supervision, all these messages your parent will get. You need to know that. Okay, but now open Play Store. We need to recover our Google account, because if you have paid games, paid in apps, you need to recover it. Click sign in. Enter your email. Click next. You will see this message. Account deleted. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. Just click next. Confirm your password. Click next again. You will see a message about something went wrong. You need just to log in again. HardReset.Info. Enter your password. And click next. And that's it. As you can see, Google account was successfully recovered. All my payments are recovered and all my apps are here. Okay, now we can delete parental controls from our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.